Hey, this is Jason. I wanted to show you a quick video about the Vortex Diamondback HP that I just got in from Midway. So it comes packed like this, so it doesn't bounce around in the box. That's why the box is huge and the scope is normal. It comes with a sunshade. So even when I have lived in ridiculously sunny places, I have never actually used one of these on the scope, but there's one right there. Comes with included scope caps. Let's look at the turrets real fast. So you've got standard windage and elevation turrets. One thing I really like about them is that they are hand adjustable, right? So we're past the days of having to find a penny or some screwdriver to turn the turret. So it's adjustable there. Another cool feature is that the screw in the middle, you can take it out and reset your turret to 0. So that if you're, shooting long range and you need to go up 6 MOA for a shot, you can put it back to your original 0 and it'll still be marked. I thought that was pretty neat. Hadn't seen that on a scope before. They also have side parallax adjustment for the long range shooters. Another cool thing was, honestly, the manual was pretty dang solid. So basic manual here just talks about, hey, this is a rifle scope, yeah. But what I liked was, again, good instructions on how to use the turrets to reset the 0 so that you can make adjustments on the fly but not lose your overall sight picture. Another cool thing about this one was the extra manual on the BDC reticle. So it's clear that the reticle has multiple hash marks in both directions, and this manual does a great job of explaining that for their predictions on trajectory, this only applies at the highest magnification. It talks about how each of these little sideways hash marks is 2 MOA, and that enables you to do some range finding using the approximate size of your target and the MOA measures there, again at 16x. So I have shot a long time, and there's some of this stuff I didn't know. Okay, so I was just impressed, so I thought I'd share it with you. Overall, scope is very clear. I can't wait to get it and mount it up and shoot it a little bit and see how it goes. Vortex Diamondback HP.